Assalamu alaikum. We did Hajj with Alkhair, and these are the things that were provided to make our Hajj journey easier. Let me go through them all. They gave us this backpack. It has so many zips. There's side pockets here. Provided with these tags to put on our luggage and backpacks. Jai namaz, scarf, and head cap for women, and ihram for men. Tasbih, face mask, nusuk card, a string bag for your shoes. It has a pocket, small pocket here. For the passports, a thicker jai namaz. Assalamu alaikum. We did Hajj with Alkhair. So when we reached to Mina camps, we were given these backpacks. So let me show you what do we have inside. So this has this front pocket, and then this big pocket and a small mini pocket there. So it has this front pocket. Let's see what do we have. Jai namaz. There's a handheld fan. Eye mask. Face mask. Another face mask. Sanitizer. Spray bottle with fan. An umbrella. Water bottle. And encounter tasbih. Travel jai namaz. a Hajj card that you need to wear at all times. So it has your name and your maktab number, passport number, all the details on this. And they gave us this as well, the tag for this is your bus number, so you are you know what bus are you going into. A side bag which was very handful for keeping your documents, passport or your phone, etc. So it has 4 pockets, 1, 2, 1 at the back and 1 at the front. Very handful.